You've been acting strange since we got here. What is it?
Awa, am I not beautiful enough? Why are you avoiding me? Please, this is the best time for us to have this here, Awa. Please.
Njubi, come on. We can't do anything here. If you are to do anything, let it be in the house. It's against the God of NNFA.
I don't believe in those fetish beliefs.
No, we can't do it. Let it be in the house, please.
It doesn't work anymore. Please. Come on, are you not seeing the handwriting written on the wall? I want you.
Stop. We can't have this thing here.
We can have it here.
No, please, you can't have this thing here. Let it be in the house. I promise I'll make it up to you.
Don't worry.
No one can be smarter than his or her chi. Njubi, confess. What did you and Awa do in the bush? What transpired between both of you? Confess or face the consequences.
Otufa, please, tamper justice with mercy. Her condition right now is very critical.
Did you talk about mercy? Did you not know what would transpire when you let out your animal? Now you beg for mercy.
Please, forgive us. Awa warned me about the consequences, but I wouldn't listen.
You wouldn't listen because you wanted to enjoy your womanhood. And where has it landed you? Tell me. Now you ask for forgiveness. Who am I to forgive? I look at your face. It says a different thing, while your heart tells me a different one. Your face speaks differently from your heart. Tell me! Do we heal her? Just speak and I will do the needful. Do we heal her?
Yes, Otufa.
I wasn't talking to you. Man without control. I wasn't talking to you. I hear you. I hear you. Uh-huh. touched all the places that he touched. Arise! 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 Woman, you can hide your evil ways from mortals, but not from the gods. I command you, confess your sins, or be ready to face your death. Allow her speak.
I don't know what you're talking about. I have nothing to confess.
You have nothing to confess. I can see you're one of those stubborn ones. Woman, I repeat one more time. Confess your sins and do not infuriate the gods. Speak! I command you to speak!
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I did what I did out of anger. Adeka's mother snatched away the love of my life at our youthful age, so I needed the revenge. Please don't kill me.
Revenge! Because of revenge, you want to destroy the life of the poor girl. How wicked can you be? Your mother is not just wicked, but evil. May the gods reward you according to what you give out to people. You will die in your wicked ways. Your evil will catch up with you. You will rot. You will rot in hell. Oh, you know.
Yes.
Okay. Which kind evening sleep? Oh yeah. Wake up. Wake up. You're sleeping here by this time.
Huh? Mama?
What is the matter?
It was a dream.
Oh, I don't understand. What was the dream?
Okay. Mama?
My son. You told me you had a dream, and I've been asking you to tell me exactly what it was all about. Am I going to hear it now, or should I wait again?
Mama, it was a strange one. I saw so many things in that dream.
Really?
Yes. I saw the part where you were healing people. Those whom they were under spells and curing people from their diseases. You were the Otunfa. Mama, this Mfa, the God of justice, does all those things really exist? Do they really exist, Mama?
Yes, Mfa does exist. Mfa is the god of justice. He's the god that ensures that nothing evil is done in the land. With Mfa, everybody sticks to the right thing at the right time. I thank God for giving us Mfa. Because without Mfa, there would have been a lot of atrocities in the community. You still need to learn more, like the history. I have a lot of it on Mfa. But this is not the right time because I have 1 or 2 things I need to do. Besides, I'm expecting a visitor. So when you have time, you let me know. I will sit you down and give you the real history of Mfa.
Thank you, Mama. This is wonderful. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Mfa. Mama, hope you enjoyed that food.
Of course I did. I enjoyed it. Can't you see how relaxed I am? You see? The next thing is to go and sleep.
Don't mind Okio. I prepared the food all by myself. Hey! What is it?
Brother, you can't lie. Mama, don't mind your son. I help him in the kitchen. I was even telling him what to do.
Well, the important thing here is that I enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the meal. And you should even be happy that your brother is helping you.
Look, you can report. Okay, Mama, before I forget, you promised to tell me about the history of the Mfa. And good thing Uki is here. Please share it with us so she can also learn from our culture and maybe tradition also.
That's true, Mama.
That's all right. I will tell you about Mfa, the god of justice. You both are privileged to be getting this information from me. All right? The origin of Mfa goes this way. There was this young lady who got married into a family. Unfortunately for her, her mother-in-law hated her. She bewitched her to the extent that she could not conceive. But being a young lady with a good heart, she prayed and prayed and prayed, and the gods favored her. She conceived eventually and had a baby. Unfortunately, 6 months later, the child died. So she found herself in a lonely bush. She cried. She wailed. And the gods heard her. They decided to help her. So they gave her a broom and a branch of a mango stick and set her back home. And you won't believe it. Within a short while, all the people that were part of bewitching her all passed on. They all died. And that is how Mfa, the god of justice, came into existence.
That's so painful. What a wicked world.
Wicked indeed the world is. He only fights for the innocent and those with good hearts. He is a great God. A God that never allows anything evil to happen in the land. Most people have forgotten about Mfa. But I'm sure somewhere he's still there.
Mama, I also wish to know the meaning of Boki and how did the Alobe festival come into existence?
I think you should ask your grandfather or there's another person, Obiakom. who is in Chicago, United States of America. They will give you the information that you need. I've given the one I have.
Grandpa, I was actually thinking of this very project. I want to make a movie that will showcase the history and culture of the Boki people. While on research, somebody referred me to one Professor Raphael Obi Ogon, that will be the one to guide me. But I don't know this prof.
Oji. Ralph. Professor Ralph Obi Ogum was my classmate in the elementary school, secondary school. We're very close, with a very fine footballer. And an exceptionally brilliant young man. As a matter of fact, you can see his photograph there. When we finished our secondary education, he gained admission into the University of Calabar to study political science. He graduated first class, and because it's always been his ambition to teach, he decided to further his education. He got a scholarship from the Overseas Development Assistance Scholarship Scheme. That was why he was very, very lucky. So he got into the very prestigious Cambridge University. He got his first and second degrees there. And Cambridge is a very prestigious university. He got his first 2 degrees there and then proceeded to Carleton University in Ottawa, Canada, where he did his doctorate. Progressively, he became a professor. Today, he is lecturing at St. Paul's University in Rome, which is one of the biggest, most prestigious Catholic universities in Rome. He's a professor there. He's a very accomplished son of our land. We are immensely proud of him because of his achievements. He's attracted a lot of people, influential people, to our place, and he's been of immense assistance to a lot of our sons. He's done a lot of work on the origins of the Boki people, and he gets quoted extensively because of the popularity of that work of his, But there is something about oral tradition. It's not something that you authenticate very easily. But you see, when it goes from generation to generation, it gets accepted as some kind of fact. So going by that account, I can tell you that there was a Boki kingdom in northern Cameroon established by Boki himself. Now, the accounts we have are, shall we say, conspiratorially silent on the origins of Boki himself, but we know that he established a flourishing kingdom in northern Cameroon and had a lot of children, One of his descendants, Otuowanefre, who was a king, was not very popular among the people. He pursued excesses a lot. He was despotic in his ways. He was very tyrannical, and At a stage, some of his relations actually decided that it would be best if they eliminated him. So they planned a coup to unsettle him. The only way you can remove a tyrant, actually, is by killing him. There is this saying that the tree of liberty is always watered with the blood of tyrants. The coup did not succeed. Now, because of the likely consequences of that failed coup, they decided to run away from there. So they migrated to eastern Cameroon, Mamfe to be specific, and they settled there. Boki himself, again, according to oral tradition, had 11 children. I don't know if you're aware of that.
Yeah, I think I know the 11 tribes. The Burum, Oku, Njwa, Irwan, Oremekpan, Nsadop, Bendege, Boje, Eso Bendege, Bawup, Osokom, Oremekpan.
Well, you're likely to end up as a professor, since you remember all this vividly.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Good. We originated from Irwan. Yes. So we are descendants of Irwan, right? Good. It's always good for you to know that. Irwan and his two brothers settled in Mamfe. The brothers are Nsedop and Abu. And they were generally referred to as the Boki people.
Banuki, Boneri, Banuki, Boneri. Banuki, Boneri, Banuki, Boneri.
As time went on, Abu decided to leave with his own children.
Your mood yesterday at the festival, I don't understand.
May the gods forbid that I take part happily in promoting another man's tradition anymore.
But we have been doing this for years. So I don't see anything wrong with that.
Not anymore. I am certain that it is about time our ancestors give us a land and a tradition, a festival to remark and to hand down to our children.
But apart from the they settle here in Manfe. We have been eating their food. We drank their water. And I do not even see anything wrong with that. So I'm surprised over your bitterness and rage.
Is that what you think? I do not rage in vain, my friend. For I know what I speak of. There will come a time when the Manfes will do us wrong. They will certainly take us for granted.
I do not understand what you mean.
Just begin to understand now. We can't settle in another man's land forever. We need a land and a tradition of our own.
I can barely understand what you mean. We live here. We intermarry with them as well. So I do not see this coming.
Mark my word. Mark my word.
My love, KJ, see how you stole the show with your exceptional dancing ability at the Ngodo festival. My love.
Look at the way you use your mock so. And praise Ojofo and stone him to the ground.
KJ, of course you know our people are remarkably noted for our exceptional strength and farming skills.
Our people are also known as our dancing ability.
I can sense jealousy in your tones.
You started it for.
Okay, let me show you now that I can beat you in any dancing competition. Watch me. I won you, my love. I won you.
Enki Ebere. Okay,
I enjoy you very much.
I felt it. As you were enjoying, I was feeling it.
You're very good. You're very, very strong.
Yeah.
Like this our man female. You are very, very strong.
No, they didn't go where I learned my own. And I don't want them to go there because I don't want them to show you what I know. What I will show you.
You have sense.
What?
What have I seen? You this order.
I told you we should be careful. See now my son has caught us. It's so embarrassing.
No, where's the man? No, he should have stepped back. Let me use the cutlass and chop off his neck. I don't know what is wrong with all these Boki men. All these Boki men don't allow our mothers to rest. What sort of abomination is this? Wait.
OGI too.
My elder, I bring a report to you.
My son, what is it again?
Could you believe I caught a Boki man in my father's hut yesterday, having an affair with my mother? Yes, a Boki man.
Abomination! Abomination!
Indeed an abomination. And may our ancestors deal with me if I do not trace his source by this time tomorrow. And I will make sure I cut off his manhood. Trust me, like my word.
Wait. Can you recognize this man? I mean, did you see this man? Did you see him at all?
Yes. No. I only recognize him by his attire. I'm sure he's a Boki. Yes, he's a Boki man.
Boki?
Yes, he's a Boki man.
Boki? Boki again? Okay. Just go. Okay. We shall handle this matter.
Okay.
Don't do anything foolish. We shall handle this matter.
Thank you.
Okay? You can go.
Thank you.
Boki? Boki? Boki again?
You look worried, and your countenance has dropped.
Ofe, I'm worried. I'm afraid of losing you.
Why do you say so?
You are Boki, I am Mafe. Our parents may kick against this union, and I do not wish to lose you.
Boki and Manfe has always intermarried. Our own case won't be exception, okay?
You are right. But you forget some overzealous parents kick against that.
Cheer up. I have spoke to my father about that. There is definitely no issue.
Your father may not be the issue, but how about my father?
Ofure, please, will you give me some kumenku?
For what? Why? Please, let me just tell you the truth. Though they say the truth is bitter. But you people are slaves in this land. You people should leave this land. Give you gomiako for what? I harvested it from our land. Leave, oh, please. Slaves, go away. We are tired. You people don't have culture. Go away. We are tired. Go away. Slaves, beggars. Beggars like you. You beg for water, you beg for food, beg for everything. Go away.
Edochie, this one that are standing here like a statue. What's wrong with you? I hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. Can you imagine? Ofre called us a slave. She called us slave just because I begged her for kumianku.
You mean that little girl insulted us because of kumianku?
Son of Boki, I have warned you to stay away from every maidens in Mafi, including our.
Are you challenging me for a fight because of my own hour? I don't.
I have to take it to you. Will you come back here?
How dare you? You want to challenge me for a fight?
You are pushing me.
You You want to challenge me, right?
Abba! Abba!
Papa.
You're a fool. How dare you fight over a woman? Especially a bookie? Have you not known how powerful and strong those people are?
Father, I am not a foot father. I am not a foot father. How long will you allow people of Buki take over our maidens from us, Father? It will be, Father.
You are a disgrace to me and the entire land.
Papa.
Don't papa me.
I can't do this with you. You are just an old man.
I think you're judging me from the outside. Why not try me and confirm the bundle of energy in me? Yes.
You must be a male prostitute then.
I know you women like proof that this man can handle you. I have it. I have the proof. Enkie ekebe ekime ebenye. I think I'm liking what I'm seeing. Think. Yeah, no. Ekebe. Don't have mercy for me on this. I have this plenty. They say the taste of the pudding is in the eating. Let's go and taste to eat. You see the real taste. Okay.
Ofre, can't you take it easy on me? Don't you know it's hot?
Must you have to degrade yourself to the point of fighting over a maiden from Manfi? Huh?
You speak as though you don't know how much I love Hawa. Hawa is not just a maiden. She's my heartbeat.
I'm not saying otherwise. All I'm against is that you fought a man in his own land. Eh?
See, if fighting for Hawa is what will keep my love for her, I will do that over and over again.
Listen, I'm sure you do not wish to start up a fight in another man's land and you expect to win. Eh?
And who cares?
It is absolutely unacceptable what we have been hearing. We have lived peacefully with your people in this land. We allow you to use our land, use our everything we have. Do not take our kindness for foolishness. Do not take all this we have done for foolishness.
Abugo, you speak in riddles. Please, come out plain. What has Iruan and her brother instead of done this time?
It is on record that some Boki men are harassing and raping Manfe medians.
If accusation is leveled against somebody, a piece of evidence should be brought to support it.
We all have lived in this land peacefully for a very long time. And I wouldn't want to hear this kind of talk again, this kind of report again. Have I made myself clear?
It is all right, Abugo. We have heard you.
Now we can all have the kola nut and palm wine.
Exactly.
What are those people? What are you people doing in my land? Huh?
What have we done to you this time around? What have the Boki people done to you? Why do you choose to just keep intimidating us?
You people are strangers in this land.
Please, leave us alone. Leave us alone. You have come again. Why do you people choose to intimidate us? This is our father's land. Leave us alone.
Your father's land? In Manfe land?
Yes.
Eh? You people should go.
I'm not going anywhere.
I said leave! Come on, leave! Leave us! Come on, leave! Eh? You come from nowhere. Eh?
Edochie, now, why are your faces like this?
It's not Ebunta, Ebele's son. The last time we were at the farm, he came there to harass us. Huh? He almost even used a machete on us.
Huh?
That is how he always harass us. He even called us strangers and said the land is not for our fathers.
Hey.
And he has come today again to repeat the same thing.
Ebuka. Don't worry, my daughters. I will report this matter. I will report this matter to Elder Jagu. He will summon the council meeting and we will discuss and decide on the right action to take on this matter. Do not worry.
My love.
Why did you go and involve yourself in fighting?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. He harassed me, wanting me to stay away from you. He was also insulting my people.
But that doesn't mean you should go and involve yourself now.
I didn't mean to, my love. I'm sorry.
Ekwo, I've told you, nobody is going to separate the love we have for each other.
I know, my love.
I've warned him severally to stay away from me, but he wouldn't listen.
My lord, now that my hands has touched him, I know that he will learn his lesson and he will also stay away from you.
I don't want you to go and be involving yourself in fighting, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do I do to make you happy? Should I dance for you?
You and your terrible dance.
Yeah, sit down and join me and break the cover.
Okay.
The matter you shared with me last time gives me sleepless nights. Edochie.
I look forward to seeing a land and a tradition of our own. Nkina, nkilinki.
Awe.
Maman share wa. Nkina nkilinki. Kachiliki omo nyorite. Eto yimonjinje la. Enye jine.
But Mukbel, I've come to know why they are making nothing out of it.
We must leave. Okay, to fail.
Leave.
I
have this fear. To where?
To where our ancestors shall lead us to.
Our ancestors.
Come in. Africa.
The best way to.
Do I look single to you? Do I?
You enjoy it better when you're with a different man. And that different man is me. There's the one I will give you. Eh? You will swear you've never tasted it before. Just give me opportunity.
You are out of your mind. Go back. Do not follow me further. I'm warning you.
See, you will enjoy this thing when it's with a different man. Just try it. With your husband, it's always it's like a one type of soup. Maybe a goosey yesterday, a goosey today, a goosey tomorrow. But try me. Enki ekebe, ekime ebenya.
Not only eki ekebe, ekime ebenya. I've warned you. Don't you follow me again.
Try it first. You see, after trying, you still say don't follow me, I will agree. But try first. Enki ekebe, ekime ebenya.
Go back, you old man of Boki. Do not trigger the wrath of my husband.
Which husband? The husband that doesn't know how to shake this waist. Eh? Who has allowed your waist to rot? Eh? To rust? That's war. Are you proud of him? Come, let me show you how to make a waist hot. A waist trigger. Become a fiber. Become hot. Eh? Come.
You are insane. You see that word, you drop that place. Enki ekebe, ekime ebenya. Don't you try it again.
The occasion calls for that. Eh? I can even your waist. Bite with the long tooth, the small one. No, just give me a chance. You have a different taste. You can't stay with your husband forever. He has offered his last. He has nothing again to offer.
Do you really desire this waist?
That's why I've been following you.
You sure you desire this waist?
You give the waist to me now. You see how I will relax.
So if I ask you your bandit bead, will you give it out?
Yes, because you will give me your waist.
You will give it out?
You will give me your waist. Why not? Hey! Enki ekebe, ekime ebenye. One. Enki ekebe, ekime ebenye. Which one again? This one. Hey! What is there? Nothing. Enki ekebe, ekime ebenye. You have it all.
Thank you.
You're joking with me. I like your waist.
Hey! People are walking, come on!
What is it?
Hey, somebody here, people are walking,
What
come
is
on,
it?
come on! Hey!
People
are walking, run on, come here! There's somebody here, people are walking, come on! Useless man. Look at it. A whole bandit beard of Boki because of woman's waist. Shame to you, useless man. I will show this to my husband. This will be an evidence. Nonsense.
Boki people, stop to harass our women. What have we done to them? Have we committed a sin for allowing them to stay in our land?
Calm down. What have they done again?
You are talking as if you are not aware of what is happening in this land.
I don't know. Tell me, what have the Boki people done again?
They came to my house and reported to me that he is in possession of the binding beats of a Boki man that harassed his wife.
Abomination!
Okay.
Abomination! You say Nde has the bead that belongs to a Boki man that harassed his wife. Where is Nde now?
He went back after reporting to me.
Go to Nde. Tell him to make sure that he brings that bead. I want to see the bead.
Better. I
like want
that.
to see that bead.
Yes, I like that. At least that will justify my allegation on the Boki people. Look, we have to do something over these Boki people. One day, they may start raping our wives and daughters. They fought and injured my only son.
Your son fought a Boki man?
Yes.
Over a woman?
Yes.
I want to see that your son.
Did his son fight a Boki man or a Boki man fought his son?
Go to Nde. Stop asking me questions. Go to Nde. Now move. Go to Nde and tell him to bring that bead for me.
I'm going right now.
You can go.
Thank you.
Oh, well.
Njabu.
Abogo.
Njabu.
Abogo.
Look at it. What further evidence do you require? One of our men brought this evidence that one of your men has been harassing his wife. Look at it. Please, for the last time, warn your people. Warn your men. I wouldn't want this to repeat itself.
Njagu summoned all the elders from the Irwan clan to his place, along with Nsadop's elders too. When they assembled in his place, he presented the bead, the binding bead, in contention to them, and an argument arose as to the ownership of that bead. The Irwan people said it does not belong to them, and Nsadop people said it does not belong to them. And the reason why they were not in a hurry to accept ownership of the bead is because of the consequences. Whoever admitted that he owns it is likely to be sanctioned heavily.
I greet you all, my people.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
My brother.
Abua here came up with something I consider very important. And I want the whole of us to hear it. Abua,
we are ready.
Repeat what you told me.
Yes. You see, when the Manfair festival of this year was at its peak, this thought kept rolling in my mind. When shall we have a land and a tradition of our own? A festival to celebrate and a culture to hand down to posterity. When?
You made a thoughtful point. A powerful point. A point that cannot allow somebody like me to sleep. Yes. That's a very thought-provoking question.
Exactly.
Very thought-provoking. Because our ancestors brought us here, settled here, died here, and left us. So the question is, where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
You can never know how far you can go until you take a step. The Memphis are becoming hostile to our people. The earlier we left, the better it is for us.
You spoke well. You spoke very well. Let it be announced to everybody, old and young, big and small, that we have to leave Manfe.
Yes.
We have to leave.
You have all spoken very well. May Ukechi guide our path in this quest.
Kekina. Kekeba. Ekemebenya.
Onyoji, the elders of Eruan and Nsado have resolved to leave Manfe in few days' time.
Never. Never. We cannot leave all we have achieved in Manfe. Our land, our hut, and our band.
Onyi, one more credit. Bimbi jenenge okumba mune. Reba fune, mbibo dom, but madam.
Oche,
eche eru agsam.
Oche, iye be dibna, etache guko. Itu abi kibni bia guko. Awa meche sa osuwa. Esa fra wi kibni bia.
Opi.
Elders of Manfe, I greet you.
Jagu, greet you.
Abogo, I greet you specially.
Jagu, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Abogo.
Jagu.
There is this saying in wisdom that when a people are beset with a problem, the problem is not the problem itself, but their attitude toward the problem.
You're right, Njagu.
We have discussed in wisdom and have resolved to leave Manfe in peace.
Njagu.
Njagu.
Abogo.
Njagu.
Abogo.
The crab said that there was no quarrel. There was no argument. All of a sudden, he saw his hand and feet bound together.
Abogo, you can say that again. You have always been a man of proverbs.
We have been living peacefully in this land.
Very much.
Both the Manfe people and the Boki people.
Like brothers and sisters.
How can you people just wake up one day and decide to leave?
It's not done so.
It's not proper. I mean, it's not proper.
You're right. You're right. But you see, we have nothing against the Memphis. Rather, we've thought it wise to seek for a land of our own, to live and cultivate on it, so that we can call our own our own.
I know it is true that we've been having issues, brotherly issues. But it has not gotten to that extent where you are asking us that you want to leave us. No, it has not gotten to that.
Men of Boki, let me help my brother. You are right. I can see that all of you have resolved to do this. There is nothing wrong with a people seeking true identity. But I was thinking we would have sat together, have merriment over wine and all these things, then discuss about, and so that we will. Shouldn't have been this sudden.
Abogo. Yeah. I would say that, well, we are sorry about the way you feel, but we've thought about it. The truth is that the value of wisdom is not a currency, but the peace that you derive from it.
Yes. We want you to understand, there is no sentiment to this. It's just that we, as a people, have resolved. Chinoyinki. Yes.
Oh, sir. Yes. I can see that you have all resolved to do this.
Of course. It's resolved, but in peace.
I can't imagine how our fathers came up with the decision of us leaving Manfred.
Sad indeed, but I think they have a point.
Have a point? Leaving all what we have acquired in Manfred to an unknown destination. That's what you're calling a point?
There is never a quest for independence without a fight. Yeah? They are the elders, and they know better than us. Yeah?
Meaning? Never. I'm going nowhere. I can't imagine leaving Hawa behind.
Aha. I know exactly this whole agitation is all about.
And what do you mean by that?
It's love that is controlling you.
I'm sure you will not want to leave Binta behind either.
Quest for independence is quest for sacrifice.
And what do you mean?
Let's go and play.
No.
I'll lose you forever.
I do not want to leave either.
But your people have resolved to leave.
Peter, it's hard to convince my elders to give up their quest. Yeah? But the God knows the best.
Please, don't go. Stay behind.
I wish I could. I wish.
In that case, I'll go with you.
Peter, please, put yourself together. Let's leave everything in the hands of fate.
No!
Please.
Please don't.
The bookkeeper have said to leave Manfred. Interesting. Please let them hasten up. There have been a smoke in our nursery.
Eto, don't say that. They are of importance to us. This land, they have helped us in cultivating our farmland and it has yielded more fruits.
Who cares? I don't like the Boki people for once. Come to think of it, why do you always support the Boki people? Or is it because you like them?
you're not trying to make jest of me.
Not at all, my friend.
They are nice people anyways. At least I have peace of mind. Or you're angry because the men are not looking at your room.
Are you trying to make mockery of me because of our relationship?
Should have thought about that before waggling your mouth.
We cannot allow these Boki people leave us like that. Because they have been very instrumental to our development. Look, they can live if they choose to live. Instead of fighting and wounding our sons over our maidens. Why? You have made a point. But all I'm saying is that these people are like a part of us. We have intermarried with them. Our people have married their people. Their people have married our people. And it will be a huge loss if they leave us as our annual harvest will drop. And secondly, we will forever lose our people that have intermarried with them.
Well, to tell you the truth, it will be a great loss for us to let them go. But let's look at it. They have the rights, they have their rights. They want to actualize their sovereignty. They want to have a land of their own. We cannot deny them that right. So I think as much as we are going to miss them, I think we should allow them go.
I am still advising. You should consider the after effect of their leaving us.
Gado, do not cry more than the bereaved. Remember, they have been raping your maidens and your women. Yes. At least when they go now, your maidens and your women will no longer be raped.
Yes,
let them go.
Let them go. But in every cloud there is a silver lining.
I know.
Yet I still see what?
I know.
We are going to lose greatly.
You are going to gain more. There are farmlands that they have been farming on. You will take them. Is that not a gain? Relax.
Very convincing point.
Eat the cola. Eat the cola.
Very convincing point.
People of Iruan and Isedop, I greet you all. Thank you very much. You all know that every society has a history. Histories are made by men. It is time for us to make our own history. Therefore, Ofre,
I'm here.
Abua,
Amunye.
Ekwo,
Elder.
Osa,
Atonyefo.
I will want all of you to go back to your different households and pass this information. As a people, we do not have a history. I am here to inform you all that we should get ourselves prepared. We prepare ourselves, our children, our properties, and livestock, because in few days' time, we shall be leaving the land of Manthe. We shall be doing what?
Leaving the land of Manthe.
We have to make our own history. We don't have to wait for others to make our history. Are we clear about that?
Oh,
yes.
Thank you very much, Elder. You have spoken well. Le, beba naji. Nkie akankete apenye nkie kredede. Kuru eke bere bo tete osunso kanki yanyi ke bigji ko fu china be leche fu nye nkine be dom oko chufa. Thank you very much, Elder. Oh, I would have
I thank you all very much. Edochie, our great oracle, we have come before you, for we are about to embark upon the making of our history. You are the great oracle that leads the path to victory. We will not go except you say so. We have offered to you the sacrifice. Now we ask you to lead our footsteps to our destination, a place we shall call our own, and furthermore, so shall it be.
Yeah, my dear sister.
May I have a word with you?
You are free.
Opete.
My beautiful sister.
I wish to go with the Irans.
May the gods of our land forbid that nonsense that is spill out from your mouth.
But I love Ofre. I can't stand the chance of losing him forever.
Now get inside and never speak further of this nonsense again.
Please.
Out from here! Out! I said out!
Some of them who were so concerned about their achievements, particularly their landed property, were certainly not in a hurry to leave Manfe like some of their brothers did. So they decided to stay behind. And this is why if you go to the Cameroon today, you will still find the Buki people there.
Grandpa, do you mean that the Boki people can still be found in Cameroon till today?
They are still there till tomorrow.
This is wonderful. Interesting story.
I want to go and see Titi.
Are you sure that you are not trying to trick me? To go and say Eko? Huh?
My husband, please leave her. I trust my daughter.
We have dance at the village market square.
Hawa?
Papa.
Hawa?
Papa.
How many times did I call you? 3 times. If you like, become a dumb and a deaf person. But make sure that what you have told me is actually what you are going to do. You may leave now.
Rita, go back to your father. I wish I could.
Gabedon. Ofona, Obro, Babio, Bobego song. Beche Jobo. Ubo, Beche Jobo. Beche Jobo. Beche Jobo. Elele. Ay. Oh, Babe. Babe. Asabe. Don't feel be quick. Get back to me. And if I'm a little shit. Oh, I'm black Babe. Babe go smoke. Babe go smoke. Babe go smoke. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Get broke. Get broke. Get broke. Get broke. I'm black Babe. Tu me get fagé. Tu me get fagé. Tu es bien. Tu es bien. Até o bom. O chimo yewa. Oh. O chimo erwe. O chimo erwe. O que o tie. Beto logo blow. Beto logo blow. O nyoli tie. Akbabu. Ejebu. E chwe fanke. Ubo. Beche jambo. Beche jambo. Beche jambo. Uboti. Eru amunya. Chonye rotie. Panuki. Beto logo bu. Emu fast and ballet. Say chiga bu. Allah really achwe. Allah ni lega sagafa. Oni mumunenke. Wafadenki. Kofa go sa. Chualani. Oh, elwetie. Atu wa jurabel. Oblak babel jurabel. Oblak babel jurabel. Okibe usa. Okibe konkon. Ete de oki utashi. Oki utarashi. Oki uke. Te wage be. Ufe ube. Kejege be. Oh. Okwabe obe. Beche jambo. Beche jambo. Beche jambo. Beche jambo. Ubo. Beche jambo. Ubo. Hey. Beche jambo. Ubo. Beche jambo. Beche jambo.
What about those who were left in Manfe?
It's a very good question. You see, those who left, you see, because the Boki people are very industrious, that Sedof's people. So when they got to Manfe, they stayed there, they worked hard, they built a lot of properties. Now, when a good percentage of the people left, some stayed behind. Good. And because they had a lot of property, their hosts, the Manfe people, actually got jealous. So they began to encroach on their properties. And, you know, when it became unbearable, the Boki people, instead of people, now decided to offer some resistance. Yeah, they did. A conflict ensued. They gave a good account of themselves, and ever since, they've not been bothered again by the Manfe people. So they stayed there, they increased, they multiplied. If you go to Manfe today, you will see a sizable number of the Boki people, and they're still there.
Grandpa, this is very, very interesting. Wonderful story.
The Boki people are very industrious, they're very hardworking.
Kenya, go kwago, Kakuba, Butia, go cherry, go jashu, Bempere, Beba, Unyere, Akatom, Okuchi, Esikwe, and Beta. Kenya, Kakuba, Kokwago, Bitie, Kocheri, Kobiashu, Bempere, Bepa, Unyere, Okuchi, Akaton, Ndbeta, Esikwe. Kenya, Kokwago, Kakuba, Butia, Kocheri, Kobiashu, Bempere, Bepa, Unyere, Akatom, Okuchi, Esikwe, Ndbeta.
of Irwan and Insadop, let us continue with our journey. Descendants of Irwan and Sedop, you are welcome. We have journeyed far. This is a quest we began. There shall be no turning back. This is our story. That we endangered our lives in the forest in quest of our posterity.
No.
We need to have a place of our own, a culture and tradition to hand over to posterity.
The
night may be full of sadness, but when dawn comes, it ushers in joy and gladness. I therefore urge everyone to brace up, take heart, and cry no more. For Ukechi knows about everything.
You are right, Elder Njagu.
I know we are tired already.
Yes, we are.
And we deserve rest. We shall therefore rest here tonight. Let everyone get a place to rest. Take a place and rest.
Kinta, ichinya, ikpe, tete ishi, kanki baki sababu beki, china yinki. Tete ishi, kanki baki sababu beki, china yinki.
Edochie, the great oracle. Once again, we call upon you. You are the light that directs the path to success. We have come this far because we had your backing. We will not go further except we have your approval. Now, we beseech you to direct our footsteps to our final destination.
No. Aha. Bonere. Aha. Bonere. Aha. Bonere. Obre pabe. Uki oshemunya. No. Aha. Bonuki. Aha. Bonere. Aha. Bonuki. Aha. Bonere. Trouble. Aha. Aha. Bonuki. Aha. Bonere. Aha. Bonuki. Aha. Bonere. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Trouble. Aha. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri.
Bwewaji, manzu gabraga ni, gabrauki. Bechiba nyuki, bwena. Bemwe mo ashe mo manfe. Bemwe mo bachiba ni esonyani. Nki ebi, ifweba kie, esetie nyuki, nyeche ki, ekichibivatie. Lacha shibe, kube.
Bebambonga
Bechi elwe nyuki kube lacha nabe
Benuki
bwena
Bebani Buki
Bechi ba nyuki Bechi elwe. These are Boki people, our brothers. Our brothers.
Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Trouble. Aha. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri. Aha, Banuki. Aha, Baneri.
Oh, Ebere, Ebele Okaro. It was a night of reunion. I mean, the atmosphere was indescribable. It was purely electric. They were hugging one another. They were screaming. Some were even emotional. It defies description. I just put it that way. Yeah.
My sisters. Did you people notice those warriors from Boki? Especially that one. What is his name? Ode. Did you see his muscles? Could not get my eyes off him.
You don't even have eyes. So you didn't even notice Ofre? How? He's so tall and handsome. I love him so much.
Wake up from your sleep. He will not even look at you.
Thanks to the gods that you did not notice Ofre. Oh my God.
My dear, wake up from your dream. That scene-looking somebody.
I wonder I don't even have muscle.
You don't
He's
have
not
eyes.
thin.
He's so skinny. I don't like him.
My Udi, look at him now. Did you see the way he was shaking his chest like this? Hey, I was even doing it.
Afraid. The both of you don't have eyes, oh. You don't have eyes.
Greetings, great warriors.
How are you doing to the beautiful ladies of Agbo?
We are fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. I must say, Abu is a very beautiful place. I've really enjoyed my stay here, honestly.
Oh, we the warriors of Agbo, we are very, very happy to have you. We are brother's keeper. You are welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, great warrior.
How is Manfe?
Brother, Manfe is indeed a place with great memories and rich respect. We, the people of Buki, have decided to look for our own independence, a history and a tradition of our own. That's why we decided to look for a land to settle in.
You know, Abu is a very wonderful land that can accommodate everybody. I mean anybody that comes to Abu. You're welcome.
You're right. Uboshe. Uboshe and Uboshe. You see anyone? Shibanya.
You know,
we are the warriors.
The great warrior of Abu. You have beautiful maidens, and we're honored to be here.
Just point your hand.
Thank you so much.
And you shoot your shot.
Thank you.
My brothers from Buki, I welcome you again.
Thank you so much.
This is our land.
Thank you so
We
much.
must do everything to protect you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, Grandpa, do they finally settled in Abu?
They spent only a few days in Abu. You see, they would have been happy to settle there, but Abu was a hamlet, merely a collection of huts. It couldn't really take the three community of brothers, so they didn't stay. They continued on.
KJ, my love, cheer up now.
I'm tired of wallowing in this forest.
KJ, I know you are, but do not worry. Very soon, our ancestors will give us a land of our own. Cheer up.
I'm tired.
But please, cheer up, okay? Come on. Very soon all this will be over, okay? Smile now. Come on, smile. Smile for me. KJ.
It's obvious your people don't want me.
Do not take that to heart, my love. I beg you.
I'd rather stay back home instead of receiving this humiliation from your people in the forest.
KJ, please, ignore the inside of women. I beg you. Remember, this is for love. Please.
It's better for me to be resting at home than to be wallowing in this forest and receiving this humiliation.
KJ, please don't talk like this. I beg you. All this will still come to an end. Please. My love. Please.
14 days they were astray in the forest, not knowing what to do or where to go. Their food supply was finished. They had run out of supply completely. They even had no water to drink. And it was plain at that point that their fate inevitably was death. Yeah, they would all die. Then a thought struck their leader, Njagu. He went to a portion of the forest. So he knelt down in supplication to the deity Edochie. He was asking that deity, could you just stay there and watch your children perish in this forest? What are we supposed to do? Don't let us die. And the moment he finished that prayer, lightning struck. There was a rumbling of thunder. The heavens opened and the rains poured down. It was like magic. They had enough to drink naturally, and it revived them. It invigorated them. Their strength came back. They continued their journey until they came to a river, the river Owom.
The people who call our brothers have betrayed us.
This is careless of them. It shows they are envious of us. Otherwise, why will they go behind us to do the traditional sacrifice? Eat without giving us a share of the gizzard.
I am totally dumbfounded. There is no reason why they should exclude us from the sacrificial gizzard. I suggest we leave this land.
Yes.
Yes.
And find our own.
We need to leave.
We need to leave.
We agree.
Yes.
We agree.
Yes.
How long shall we continue to wander in this forest? I am famished and thirsty.
As long as our ancestors will give us a land of our own, where we will have peace and safety.
Then we should have been allowed to stay back in Manfe. Come on, Te. Do not mock the gods. Okesha is not asleep. He will provide for us. I am going back to set up. I can't continue this wandering.
Have you lost your mind? When the old men and children kept to this journey, Why will a youth like you give up?
I need food. I am hungry and thirsty. I'm going back. Enter. We are warriors. Don't forget that.
I have food. Eat me. Eat me.
Let's go.
I go drag and shoe. When you watch him be every, or we'll be asking go drag. I go drag and shoe.
Try as much as possible to stop the poison and do it fast.
smoke. I beg smoke.
Descendants of Erue, today we are in a very sober mood. We are all sad. Calamity has befallen us.
It shall be known in the history of Irua that today
our hero Ofre has lost his life in his quest to provide food for everybody. It is indeed saddening, painful, but it has happened. We have no option because our great deity, Edochie, knows about everything. This has happened, but we must press forward. We have started upon this journey and we shall not retreat. We must find a land of our own, a land, culture, and tradition that we must bequeath to posterity. Warriors,
you all know how we have been moving before. You will follow me as I step.
The elders shall be at the front, followed by the children and the women, while the warriors comes after.
Let us proceed, for we shall never retreat. Let us go.
baby. Don't feel be quick. Get back to me. And if I'm all over shit. Oh, I'm black baby. Bobby go smoke. Bobby go smoke. Bobby go smoke. Oh, 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 oh. Get broke. Get broke. Get broke. Get broke. I'm black baby. Tu me get fatigué. Tu me get fat. Tu es bien. Tu es bien. Tu es bien. Até o bom. O chimo é wa. Oh. O chimo é ruim. O chimo é ruim. O que o tie? Beto no blow. Beto no blow. O nholi tie. Akabu. Ejebu. E je vais fanke. Uba uba uba. Bejeje uba. Bejeje uba.
Edochie, behold your sons and daughters. We embarked upon this quest with your approval. We are about to cross this river. We ask that you keep us safe. Your daughters and sons shall cross without harm. Keep us safe. You, the spirits of water, I speak unto you. You, water, I speak unto you. Keep calm and be still as we cross. So shall it be.
Thank you now.
Hakiba, Nduramomo, Yotita Kibirika, Nduramomo, Yapato Kibirika, Nduramomo, Yotita Kiba, Nduramomo, Yapato Kibirika, Nduramomo, Yotita Kibirika, Nduramomo, Yapato Kibirika, Nduramomo, Yotita Kiba, Nduramomo, Yapato Kibirika, Nduramomo,
But Grandpa, what can you tell me about the Alobe festival?
Oh, Obieji. I will tell you. As I said, they settled on the bank of that river. They developed very many areas of that bank. Well, like people, occasionally there is some change of weather, it affects them. Sometimes villagers come and attack them, they defend themselves. But when nature decides to strike, you have no answer. At a stage in their lives, they began to suffer famine, pestilence, hunger, starvation, and at that stage, they were beginning to die. Then one night, Alo, in a dream, saw the deity, and the deity told her to go to a certain place, identify a particular plant, dig it up. In the morning she got up, she went to the place she saw in her dream. She saw the leaf that was described for her. It So she dug it, and she dug out cocoyam. It was quite a big one, so she took it home. When she got home, she told it to her husband. This is what was revealed to me in a dream by the deity. I'm going to cook it so we can eat it. And the husband said, okay, good. We don't know whether it is edible. Who knows, we might just die if we eat this thing. So I suggest we contact other elders to join us so that we don't die alone if it is not edible. So they got some of the elders in that community to join them. She cooked the cocoyam. In the night, they all ate it, and they went to sleep. In the morning, Alo got up first, went into her husband's hut, tapped him. He got up, cleared his throat. I'm alive. And they said, aha. So this thing is not poisonous after all. And they tried to reach the other elders. They were all alive. You see? So from that day on, they started eating this cocoyam. Good. Now, because it happened at a point in their lives when they had almost given up completely, they don't forget it. It became part of their history. So up till today, they still celebrate it. And when they do, they cook it at night, call the elders at night, eat it at night. It is only the following day that the eldest person announces that this thing has been eaten, you know. In other words, others are free to go and eat it, right? They have eaten it themselves. But you see, it is not everybody in the community that accepts this, no. It's a celebration to mark their survival, good. But you see, Christians, particularly the Pentecostal sect, are beginning to question the morality behind this thing. Why must it be done at night? If it were not fetish, why at night? Do it in the daytime. But you see, because the elders themselves know that the very first time they ate the cocoyam, it was at night, they decided they must continue eating it at night. Regrettably, the Pentecostals and other Christians don't seem to agree with them. They think it's diabolical. That is why it's done at night. So it has continued till this day. And apparently, nobody is in a position to persuade those Christians that this is a clean ritual, that they should be part of it. So it has persisted, and the Christians have continued to keep away.
Now I know why the Alube festival is done at night. Alube, Alube, Alube Sambie. Ow.
There is nothing fetish about it, absolutely. Yeah.
Okaji, our great oracle. Why did you allow calamity and misery to befall us? Just hunger and starvation have gained us. We love Mafe. We love Mafe because they were hostile. Oh, brother. Abu, who not hold us as a community, and we left. Our brothers, Son Abkun, they betrayed us. Here we are finally in the forest and meet our doom. Show yourself! Show yourself in action! If you truly let, show yourself! Show yourself! Hey. Thank you, Joe. Obrigado. Não te quer. Que eu tomo. Só aqui. Terry. No quente. Que te que. Oh, quente. Help me. I said, I face this fruit. Let me eat and survive with my only son.
Okay, anyowo.
Sorry, far.
Eldan Jago. The warriors brought this. Take them away.
Oh, you're right here. But you are to the bell. A black baby to the bell. A black baby to the bell. Oh, keep you set. Oh, keep you come. It's a cute shit. Oh, cute shit. Oh, cute care. They want a bed. Who fell bed?
Benchi, I can.
Hey, woman, Oh well. Please come. Come. What is this you're holding? Bring it. Let me see. What is that on there? Eldan Jago. This woman brought this. Take a look. Have you seen this before? Woman, what is this that you have brought? It could be poisonous. Please take it away. Come and take it away.
No! I will not allow my son to die starvation. I will not.
Please, woman, throw it away at once. We have not eaten this, even in Abu or Manfe. Please, throw it away.
No! I will not allow my son to die of starvation. I will not. It is better. It is better for me to die filled than to die of starvation. I will not.
No, woman. No. If this thing is poisonous, it could kill all of us. Do you want us to die?
It is all right. It is okay.
Oh, baby, baby, asabe, don't fais du quoi? Get back to me. On a fait mal le chien. Oh, baby, baby go smoke, baby go smoke, baby go smoke. Oh, 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 oh. Get broke, get broke, get broke, get broke. Baby. Tu me fais fallier, tu me fais faire, tu es bien, tu es bien. Até o bom, o time é o time é o que o tia, beto logo blow, o nhole tia, o cabebu, e jebu, e sugar fanke, ubo.
Everybody wake up! Oh! He did not die! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Ere amunya, onye rotie, manuki, beto logo blue. Emu fast and ballet. Say jigga boo. Allah really achwe.
Where did you find the item you brought?
Few steps from the camp. Not far away. He is growing massively waste.
Oh, break my bay.
Descendants of Iruan, our oracle has provided us with food. Hooray!
Oh, Ebere Okaro.
Beberi bembe. Kondo bebe. Ufe ube. Okwa bebe. You can be uno no bebe.
The river bank provided them some habitation. So they settled and now said, time to search for food. So they decided to explore the area. Those of them who were very good hunters came back with antelopes and grass cutters. So they made some kind of bonfire, roasted these animals, ate them with plenty of relish, plenty of gusto. And they now said to themselves, since this land has provided us food, we are going to settle here. So progressively they began to construct huts and structures that will accommodate them. And this was how they now settled there permanently till this day.
Kenya, go kwago, Kakuba, Butia, go cherry, go jeshu, Bempere, Beba, Unyere, Akatom, Okuchi, Esikwe, Ndbeta.